I gotta take the what no way guy in this.
So I've got this roll of 3M painter's tape, and when I go to peel it, it just wants to rip. A while back, I saw somebody put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds, and when they went to go peel it, it worked. So we're gonna try it. All right, we'll go ahead and pop her in there. 20 seconds. All right, we'll go ahead and peel it. So far, so good. It's a little warm. No kidding, that actually worked. This is like 10 bucks. Just saved me 10 bucks. I did not think that was gonna work. I'm pretty pumped about that. Do you know how many rolls of tape I've thrown away in the past? That's awesome.